Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Language Fluent. Moi, je suis Shivani, votre professeur de français aujourd'hui. Hello everyone, you're watching Language Fluent and my name is Shivani and today we are going to learn numbers. What are numbers called in French? Numbers are called les nombres. Les nombres. They are also called les chiffres. Les chiffres. Let's get started. 0, 0, 1, 1 is also called une, une. 1 is the only number in French which is masculine or feminine. We have then deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. 10 is pronounced just like 6. So, six, dix. Coming to 11, that is onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize. Your 13 and 16 are very similar. Treize, seize. Coming to 17, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, and 20, 20. Okay, so 20 is 1. Alright, let's start with 21. 21 is first pronounced as 21. 21. The T here gets connected with the next E that you have. That's why it becomes 21. So all your 21, 31, 41 will have a and in between. 21. Then it continues like we have the normal numbers. 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30 is 30. Okay. Let's use the same principle for 31. 21, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 40 is 40. Using the same principle, 21, 31, 41, 41 and then the ET goes away. 42, 42, 44, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and we've almost reached 50. 50. This is 50 with a U and 5 is 5. Okay, so 50 again using the same principle. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 is 60. Then we continue with the same principle. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Coming to 70, it gets very interesting. In French, if you want to say 70, you're going to say 60 and 10. What is a 60? It's 60 and then we add 10 to it, that is 10. 70. To say 71, if you look carefully, I've written 60 plus 11. And don't forget your and principle. So it becomes 71, 60 and 11. So now we're going to continue from 11 to 19. So 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Well, it's quite true that you really need to be good at your mathematical skills to learn French numbers. So 80 is written as 4 multiplied by 20, and then you add 1, 2, 3 to it. What do I mean by this? 4 is 4, 20 is 1. So 80 becomes 80. Okay, and I have underlined S because if you see the rest of the numbers from 81 to 90, there is no S in 1. It disappears. Okay, so we have 80. Okay, and then we continue 81. Again, please note that the ET is not written here anymore. We have 81, and then we continue the way we have 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Now 90 gets even more interesting. We write 420 plus your 10. So it becomes your 80, that is 80, and then you add 10 to it. So 80, this is your 90. What is 91? We add now 12, 13, 14, just the way we did in 70s. Same way we are going to do it here. Same way we are going to do it here. 91, again no ET. Okay, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100, that is 100. Merci pour votre attention et j'espère que vous avez trouvé cette vidéo hyper utile. I really hope that this video was useful to you. If so, then please hit the like button and also share it with your fellow French lovers. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting French videos. À bientôt!